Hello YouTube, sports ball cards back. Picked up a box of 2019 Allen Ginter from my local Walmart. I think this will be the third box I've done, or maybe fourth box, I can't remember. I got a bat relic out of one. I got a Brooklyn Bag Mini out of one, which is pretty cool. And then I got one with nothing really in it. So we get 7 packs plus 1 makes 8. Maybe we'll get something good. Let's see. Veritech. Acuna. Bo Jackson. Mini Acuna. Allen Ginter back, AG back. History of Flight card. Chapman. Pack number 2. Alfaro. Abreu, normal. Valdez rookie. Kristen Stewart rookie. Incredible equipment. Paul Bunyan's axe. Real Muto. Let's see, was any of these short prints? Short prints are 351 and up. Yeah. Kristen Stewart rookie is a short print. So far, nothing too exciting. If you hear any background noise, it's my kids and my dogs. Ted Williams, Rizzo, Mares and Stallions. What's this? Clallam Language, Lost Languages. Huh. It's the first one of those minis I've gotten. You got a lot of cool stuff in this. Herrera, Bueller. Oh, my kids. So loud. What do we got here? Rodriguez. Killebrew. Cespedes. Oh, that's a short print. Cespedes. We got Bob Feller. Black border. That's pretty cool. Reggie Jackson, Baseball Star Signs, Don Mattingly. Halfway through, we got 4 more to go. Hoping we'll get some kind of a relic in here. Or an auto. A frame mini would be sweet. Boston Red Sox. Joey Gallo. Boar. Alright, thanks, Ginter Greats. New to the Zoo. Gorilla Infant. Contreras. Okay. 3 packs left. Jack Flaherty, Paul Goldschmidt, Dobby, Adobe. That's a short print. That's the guy who I got the Brooklyn back mini of, numbered out of 25. Olsen, AJ back, another History of Flight, and Ryan Sandberg. 2 more packs. Cespedes Family Barbecue, Claiborne, Castellanos, Schwarber mini. I guess that would be a short print, 356. I don't know if the same numbers work for the minis. Heracles, Club. Ah, Frank Thomas. My favorite player as a child. Last pack. Braun, Robinson, Fallon, Tellez, short print, Nolan Ryan, and Alderton Simmons. Well, that's it for that. Nothing too exciting. A few short prints. So, maybe next time I'll have something more exciting for you guys. Thanks for watching. Like if you like.